Thank you for having me here.
Do you guys ever feel something for each other? Respect. When are you getting married? चोर खुद बोल रहे हैं इसने चोरी किया है. Have you ever farted in the gym?
मारते सब है, बताता कोई नहीं.
Big boss इसको out कर दो. Hi guys, welcome back to another new video. It's another Q&A with Kenny Saru. Yay!
Thank you for having me here.
इतना भी formality नहीं करना है.
Oi.
We met up for some contents and we decided to do a little bit of Q&A for you guys like last time. So I have some questions here and I'll be asking some questions. So I also did a poll on Instagram and I have a few questions from there as well. So पहले उसका questions पूछ लेते हैं.
चलो ठीक है.
So if you guys don't know who Kenny is, because नूतन subscribers का न जाने ऊपर है, ये हमारे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा दोस्त है. His name is Kenny Saru. He's also a bodybuilder.
Part-time bodybuilder.
Yeah, and he owns a gym. So if you guys want to work out, join his gym.
Yeah.
Okay, this question is, I think for both of us.
Okay.
I notice you have good company of friends.
Yeah.
How can I become a better friend?
You or some other?
I don't know, like, how can I become a better friend? How to be a good friend?
You're already a good friend. You're always there when I need you. Yeah.
Mane, somebody said like we do have good circle of friends ना.
Okay.
तो ताम भी friends भाग बस around हो जाए. उन लोगों को भी अच्छा friends चाहिए. तो how to become a good friend themselves so that they can have a good circle of friends?
See, I mean, like, I have a big circle, but only handful of people who are like very close to me,
Yeah.
who I can rely on.
Yeah.
So when it comes to friendship, be loyal and make sure you are giving your 100% to that person, as well as that person should give the same efforts as well, same energy. So वही है.
I think showing up
Exactly, showing up.
for your friends.
Yeah.
The way so that they'll also they also show up for you the way you do for them.
Exactly.
And also
Everyone
no
can show up for the
backbiting.
party, but no one shows up.
Yeah, no one,
Shit, I'm too sure. I think
no
it's
one
because of the
shows
pasta.
up for like during bad times, very
Yeah.
rarely people show up during that time.
Yeah.
So हमेशा अपने दोस्तों के लिए you have to show up, be there for them. And especially one thing ना, जितना भी अच्छा friendship हो, never backbite about your friends because it's always going to come back in full circle like that.
Yep.
So yeah, that's how you surround yourself. Sit with people who don't backbite, they don't, betray you. Be a person yourself like that, then you'll be surrounded by people like that. And next question. Oh, I think this is for you. When do you feel most at peace and what habit improved your life most?
When I'm happy or sad, I hit the gym. I have good friends over there, so I love lifting with my friends. It brings joy to me. So yeah.
So I think working out is that one habit.
It's a
that really
therapy.
changed
It's a therapy for me. Yeah.
Yeah,
It
it's a
changed my
therapy
life.
for- Yeah.
I would say.
I think it did change Kenny's life a lot.
Exactly.
How old are you?
I'm 30. 30 plus
No
1.
way.
30 plus 1. 31.
31. He's 31 and I'm 32. People think I'm 40. Do I look 40?
No, yeah.
Huh?
40 से तो कम ही है यार. Come on.
40 से तो कम
Come on,
ही है,
guys,
of
not
course.
40
People
year.
say I'm 40. They think I'm actually 40. I'm 32.
ज़्यादा हो गया.
94 का है.
At least 35 बोलना भी है तो.
40 बोल
40 का बना दिया भाई.
What's something your followers should be surprised to know about you? I think it's for both of us. What's something your followers would be surprised to know about you? Something that our followers don't really know about us. क्या नहीं जानते, सब तो जानते ही है.
I think they know. I mean, like, what they are also not supposed to know.
वो तो है.
And they know everything,
हमारे
which
लाइफ
we ourselves don't know.
हमारे लाइफ इतना पब्लिक हो चुका है कि मतलब they know everything कि हम कहाँ रहते हैं, क्या करता है. But maybe something that's like deeper than that inside, हमारा मन की बातें शायद.
मन की बात को मन में ही रखते हैं. Next question.
I think मेरा तो है I'm very outgoing in person. I mean, normally I'm very outgoing like this to a lot of people. But कभी कभार थोड़ा मतलब मैं थोड़ा social anxiety हो जाती हूँ. So that time I don't feel like talking to anybody. I just want to stay at home. घर में पूरा बंद करके I try to detox and relax a little bit क्योंकि मुझे social anxiety हो जाता है. So that's something I've had it for a very long time, but मैं दिखाती नहीं हूँ. What's the hardest part about being an influencer that people don't see? Influencer as in company. What's the hardest part about being an influencer? I won't call us influencers, but content creator.
Yeah.
What's the hardest part about being a content creator? that
Being
people don't see?
consistent,
Yeah.
because apart from being a content creator, I'm also a small-time entrepreneur.
Yeah.
So I have to look after my clients.
This guy is a
my
rich
work.
guy.
No, I'm not. Trying to be rich.
He's like, he has
No.
businesses here and
No,
there.
no, yeah. Trying in life.
But they are hardworking है. I think consistency, working on content, क्योंकि लोग समझते हैं कि हम लोग बस ऐसे करके ही डाल देता है. But
Exactly.
it's a lot of work behind
And
scripting,
hats off
concept
to you
planning.
for being consistent on YouTube for so many years.
Uh,
If you remember, I also started my own channel back then,
yeah, you
4 years
did.
back.
You
I
need
was
to come back.
consistent for like few months, then I disappeared because I couldn't because of my
But
work.
I think you should document your championship journey.
Yeah,
I'm
that
sure
I
a
will
lot of
definitely.
people can learn a lot from there as
Yeah.
well. So I think it's time to come back. Yeah. So you should watch his journey as well. Also going through a lot of criticism. So yeah, since we're laying out our social life, our life on the internet, everybody has the right to just give out your opinions. So sometimes some
Yeah.
opinions can also hamper our mental peace. But I think Chamratanu jishne na ito do.
Mula to chamratanu jishne ho sab hogi.
We're quite used to it now.
Because I'm not, it doesn't affect me. In my
Yeah.
case, because what I have to do, right?
Yeah.
So
Now
it
we
is a-
are more like focused on what we want to do.
Yeah.
And we don't focus on the negative
Yeah.
energy. Okay, what's the next question? When are you getting married? Nice question.
Once I'm ready, I'll definitely.
Yeah. I get that a lot too.
No need to rush.
Yeah. And a lot of people are like, oh, your friends are married, you should marry too. I'm so happy for my friends that they're married, but my time is like, it's
See,
not
I mean, like
up to
everyone has a
me.
different purpose and
Yeah.
goals, right?
Right.
So when the time is right, obviously, eventually we'll get.
Eventually हो जाएगा. आप लोग चिंता मत कीजिए. आप लोग को भी पहले बता दूंगी अगर हुआ तो.
इसका ही पहले होगा.
इसका पहला होगा. मैं तो नहीं करूँगा अभी.
हाँ.
So much to do in life. So अभी तक तो both of us we have no plans. उसका भी कोई plan नहीं है. मेरा भी कोई plan नहीं है. We're focused on our work. We're focused on our lives. वही उसके बाद कल परसों you never know. Depends on God.
Yeah.
है ना? चलो. Next question. Have you ever wanted to quit and when was the worst moment?
Yeah. When my dad passed away during the pandemic, so it was a very shocking moment for me, you know. That time I didn't want to do anything, continue, you know. That was the darkest phase of my life because when your father is around, I mean, like you feel very confident, you feel everything is. So when he was not around, my depression is actually for the first time in my life. So, uto time there is I would
And how
say.
did you come out of it?
See, I mean, like I said, I also had my own purpose and goals, and I told him that I want to do something in bodybuilding and all, and I want to achieve. So that time, मुझे तदरा आई नहीं है मुला फेस थे ओला पीछे थे I gave my 101% okay life ते hard work ना पूरा तो दिशे मुला time दिशे you know anyway achieve करला पारिशे so far तो itu ऐसे
Hats off to you.
follow
for
your
being so
follow
strong.
follow your passion and goals yeah more like a challenge for me because
Yeah.
baba ये कुछ ना मुझे itu kuru munja से and मुला plan ऐसे तो so it was किना को दिमाग ते itu ही था इसे that इतना promiscuous है तो I want to do it.
करना है,
तो,
करना
yeah.
है। मैंने बोल दिया है करना है ना।
Yeah, by God's grace, I mean like everything went well.
And you're doing so well. Your dad must be really proud of you.
Yeah.
I'm 100% sure. अगर वो यहाँ होते तो he'd be like, good job, Kenny.
The journey just started. Still a long way to go.
And he's gonna do more, way better. So let's all wish him all the best and keep him in prayer. है ना?
Yep.
Chalo, next question. What scares you more, like losing your competition or losing your physique? I don't know what question is this, but yeah.
It's the same thing only, na?
Acha?
If I don't have the physique, I'll lose the competition.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10,
Yeah.
how annoying am I?
Not every time, but once in a while.
Yeah.
When she's irritated, she
Yeah.
takes a lot of time. Her tantrums,
Tantrums?
and you're always late,
You're not late.
but not more than you. Today also I waited like 40 minutes, even though your house is nearby. वही है. I am late.
ये
I'm
अलग
late.
दिन में ये भी लेट आती हूँ, मैं
Yeah.
अकेली नहीं हूँ, साथ में लेट होती हूँ. आज पहली बार आप पहले पहुँचे हो, इसलिए
Yeah.
शायद ठीक है, मान लेते हैं.
It's 2026. I'm a changed person now.
Oh, but
Yeah.
2025 was almost late. What's your most unattractive habit?
My habit.
Unattractive.
I'm always late.
ये खुद बोले देखो.
हाँ.
Just few minutes back, I'm
No,
on
I have a
time.
very bad habit. Suppose 12 बजे मेरे को जाना है, तो I'll keep, watching the clock.
हाँ,
12 बजने वाला है ना,
अभी.
12 बजने वाला है ना. अच्छा, 11:50 I'll get ready. तो ऐसे कर करके I get like 1-2 hours late. But not all the time,
देखा?
but most of the time.
See, ये
Yeah.
चोर खुद बोल रहे हैं इसने चोरी किया है.
Yeah, I
Don't
admit
forget
my
that
own
part.
mistake at least. Yeah.
If we ever fight, who's apologizing first? What do you think?
What?
Like if we ever fight in our friendship,
Yeah.
हमारे बीच मतलब एकदम टक्कर वाला झगड़ा हो गया. Who do you think is gonna apologize first? Me or you?
नहीं, टक्कर वाला तो नहीं होगा, but yeah.
टक्कर
I'll
वाला
keep
हो
aside my
सकता
ego.
है ना.
Ego वाली बात भी नहीं है ना. I'll apologize. क्या, I mean like we are good friends. तो झगड़ा करके वो सब क्यों रखना है ना?
मेरे जैसे अच्छे दोस्त तो मिलेगा भी नहीं.
I'm a very peaceful person, even you
I
know
am
that.
also peaceful. वैसे में इतना अच्छे दोस्त मिलेंगे ही भी
Yeah.
कहा तो तुम आपको मतलब you have to apologize anyway.
Exactly.
Anyway, चलो next question. Do you talk to yourself before lifting or going to the gym for motivation like in the movies, you know?
No. I usually don't, but whenever the pre-workout hits on,
हाँ.
you know,
आ जाता है.
दिमाग में. Yes. करना है भाई.
Have you ever stalked? This is a really unhinged one.
Okay.
Have you ever stalked at yourself or look at your picture and be like, oh, I'm so hot?
See, everyone does, yeah. And I'm not the only one. And I don't feel guilty. Because
Yeah.
when you're working on yourself, you have to make sure that you're looking in the mirror and appreciating yourself.
Yeah, exactly. And agar if you don't love yourself, nobody's gonna love you. So you love yourself first.
Yeah.
You know.
That's why I've been telling you to come to the gym. We have a lot of mirrors over there, you know? Just come and
He's been calling
appreciate
me.
yourself.
He's calling me to his gym since I don't know. It's been 1-2 years now. I'm like, ahipo. But
Yeah.
when I think about working out and him,
And she recently discovered she has a knee pain, back pain.
yeah.
Yeah. So, high time.
लेकिन ये ना as a trainer बहुत ही खरूस, very strict one. So I'm scared of you actually. I know Kenny, I can't do it. Like नहीं हो पाएगा, you do it. I feel like you say it. I'm scared because friendship अलग level है. फिर
Exactly, no. You're
training
coming to the
अलग
gym to
level
improve
है.
yourself.
Yeah,
So I have to
I'm
make
scared
sure
of
that
you.
I'm strict with you.
Yeah.
You don't have to be
Outside
scared.
the
You
gym,
have to
you're
over-
scared of me, but
You
inside
I'm
the
not.
gym,
I'm not.
scared
You have to
of
overcome your fear.
Okay, I will. One
Yeah.
step at a time. Slowly. Someday I will visit. What's something that you never told me? What's something that you've never told me, but you can say it now? कभी बोला नहीं है, लेकिन अभी बोल सकते हो. Oh.
So, when it's not perfect, you get irritated, you get annoyed.
A
You'll be like-
perfectionist, हाँ, वो
Yeah.
शायद थोड़ा सा है.
तो उस टाइम
I do
पे तुम्हारा
admit.
सनी देओल निकल जाता है बाहर.
ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ उठ जाता है इसके ऊपर.
अबे ऐसे तो मत उठाओ.
you have achieved a lot in life, right?
Yeah.
लेकिन life is not perfect.
Exactly.
कभी कभार खुशी नहीं होते हैं,
हाँ।
हम लोग दुख होता है. So they're asking, have you ever been like, you know, felt lonely or felt sad despite achieving everything?
See, I have no regret in life. Be it bad or good, it all happens for a reason. So my motto is like always like, you know, look forward. तो वही है अभी तक. अप डाउन तो चलता रहेगा ना लाइफ में, but you have to, you know, keep achieving and do good in life. बस वही है.
Do you guys ever feel something for each other?
No, yeah, we are really good friends.
We're really good friends.
Yeah.
A lot of people misunderstand this thing, so we just want to clarify that.
Yep.
No, we're just good friends.
Good friends,
We're
good
buddies. Have you ever farted in the gym when no one, like people were around? तो थोड़ा छोड़ दिया कभी.
मारते सब है, बताता कोई नहीं.
लेकिन आज बता दो,
हाँ,
सच्चाई सबको जाननी चाहिए.
मारती तो तुम भी हो, दबा दबा के.
मारते सब है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन ये है कि जिम कब रिलेटेड है, तो आपके बारे में होगा. मैं तो जिम जाती नहीं
अब
हूँ.
वो तो कभी भी आ सकता है.
कभी बोल के नहीं आते, ऐसे
कभी
आ
बोल के नहीं
जाते हैं. Anyway, so that's how we end our video, Q&A video. If you have more questions, in your comment section. And thank you so much for watching. Battery was low. See you guys. Bye-bye.
Family support is like very important.
हाँ.
Otherwise, hello, cut करना हाली दे.
Okay, go ahead. मैंने हमेशा like if you ever go to Big Boss, क्या
Yeah.
बोलोगे? Big Boss इसको आउट कर दो.
किसकी है मजाल जो मुझे आउट करते हैं?
राखी सावंत के साथ झगड़ा करोगे बिग बॉस जाके?
उसके साथ मरना है क्या?
If we go to Big Boss, who do you think is winning, him or me?
We never know.
You never know.
Yeah.
But the reality TV show with both TV shows. I
क्या
think-
पता तुम पहले एपिसोड में आउट हो जाओ और मैं लास्ट सीजन में, लास्ट एपिसोड में.
हाँ.
कुछ भी हो सकता है यार.
कॉन्फिडेंस ज्यादा होते हैं, जो लोग ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस होते हैं ना, वो लोग पहले आउट हो जाते हैं. तो मैं कुछ बोलने वाली नहीं हूँ, बाद में देखा जाएगा.
Exactly. लेकिन बुला कौन रहा है?
बिग बॉस
Question वही है.
बिग बॉस इसको आउट कर दो.